Okay, give me another one.
Okay. Tell me what find view by ID is.
I feel like it has something to do with finding a view by its ID.
Okay, but try to define it without using its name.
Oh, hey there. We're actually fiddling around with that app that you just made. You know, quiz example?
Yeah, good job completing it just in time to study up on all the new terms you just learned in this lesson, like content provider, URI, and content authority.
But you did more in this lesson than learn all these new terms. You also used a pre-existing content provider. By doing this, you grabbed another developer's app data that was already on the phone and employed it in an entirely new app experience. You can use the same steps to grab things like the user's contact information and their calendar events.
In addition, you now have insight into when content providers are useful and why you might want to make one. So now, if you do make a content provider, say as part of your Sunshine app, you'll understand what the benefits are for yourself and other developers.